my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking to you from my office, which I have not been able to sit at my desk for over 4 weeks now because of my surgery. And today is probably going to be my last kind of update on my hip surgery that I had. So if you're new to this channel, this is my first vlog that I've done, my vlog series that I've done since starting a YouTube channel. So welcome. And this vlog that I have done has been based on the hip surgery, the total hip replacement that I had February 17th. And I will leave the links to those videos in the description box below if you are interested in seeing it, or if you know of someone who is going to be having hip surgery and they kind of want an idea of what's in store, they can watch those videos. But today I am going to do probably, like I said, my last vlog on it, unless something weird happens or if I just feel like I want to, give another update. But so Wednesday, 2 days ago, was my 4-week post-surgery day. And I will say that I was really, really dreading this surgery. Not so much for the pain of the surgery or the pain of the recovery, but more so the just inconvenience of the recovery, the just relying on people during your recovery and your boredom during recovery. I would say that's, to me, the worst part of it is, if I had to say anything was the worst part, is probably depending on other people. I don't like depending on other people. I like doing things myself. I like doing things the way I do them. And so, yeah, I think that's probably the worst thing. People having to help you get dressed, helping you out of a chair, just, I hate all that. People, going to the grocery store for you or cooking your meals. I just don't like depending on other people. Now, if I am paying someone to do something for me, like clean my house, that's one thing. But, having to say, hey, can you please go clean the toilet? Or, hey, can you please get me a glass of water? Or, I just don't like that kind of stuff. So to me, that was probably the worst part of it. But I'm 4 weeks, like I said, 4 weeks post-surgery, and I'll tell you where I am now. You can see right here is my cane. I don't necessarily have to use my cane anymore. I basically just kind of keep it close by in case when I stand up, I feel stiff. Because I do still experience that when I stand up after sitting a while. I will, when I stand up, I feel just kind of stiff and still kind of uneasy on that hip. Just uneasy mentally, making sure, like, can I put all my weight on that side? So I keep my cane handy, but I have started going around the house, like walking around the house, not using the cane. So that's been nice, having both hands free to be able to, carry a bottle of water and my phone, or talk on the phone and carry a bottle of water, whatever. So that has been nice, being able to have both my hands again free. And of course, when I'm in the kitchen, I don't use the cane, so I'm able to cook again and clean again. I will say though that using my cane, or not using my cane, or even using my cane, you'll have to excuse my hair. It's driving me crazy. It's way time for me to have my roots done. And, I still feel uncomfortable sitting in some seats. So at my makeup vanity, I don't really sit down. So I stand up to do my makeup and stand up to do my hair. So it's not really much been done with this. So anyway, back to what I was telling you before. But so when I find that, when I use my cane more or I don't use my cane, and so I rely completely on my own, body weight, which is a lot. Hopefully now I can work on that now that I have 2 good hips. But I find that my lower back bothers me, especially toward the end of the day. My lower back really starts bothering me. I still, like if I'm sitting in a chair or even when I go to bed at night, I still use an ice pack on my hip because I still feel like the area around my incision is still a little swollen. Plus it does help with keeping any inflammation down from using it throughout the day. But I have gone to my outpatient physical therapy. I've had 3 sessions. And so like yesterday I had physical therapy, and at the end of the day, I was like, woo, my leg is really sore, and it's just strengthening those muscles again. So, but 2 days ago I had my post-op doctor's appointment. I don't know if my doctor is just different, but, God, this is driving me crazy. Sorry. Anyway, I've had a couple people ask me, have you been to the doctor yet? No, my doctor told me to come back after a month. So some doctors say go back after 2 weeks. My doctor says go back after a month. So I don't know how that would be with you. So I went for my doctor's appointment on Wednesday, and they did another x-ray. They said everything looked good. They took the bandage off my incision. They said my incision looked good. And I haven't looked at it. Is that weird? My husband's looked at it, but I don't like stuff like that. So I haven't even looked at it. I don't know what it looks like. But the doctor says it looks good. And they also released me from my precautions. Now, if, I don't know, I'm pretty sure I mentioned the precautions in my other video, but the precautions were, not to, like when you sit in a chair, they want you to sit back or like straighten your leg out so that the angle of your waist to your leg is not less than 90 degrees. They want you to keep it at 90 degrees or more. They say it could pop out, which, I can't even imagine how much that would hurt. So I've been very careful about making sure I don't do that. Some other precautions: don't turn your foot, like your feet, don't turn your foot inward or your leg inward. Don't cross your feet. Yeah, so those are the 3 main ones. So I've been very, very careful about not doing that. So they have released me from precautions, but she did say that as far as the 90-degree thing, like bending over to pick something up, like off the floor or whatever, give it a couple more weeks. So I definitely will do that. She also suggested no bath yet, so still showers, which I love taking my bath every night with my bubbles. Anyway, I haven't been able to do that in 4.5 weeks. So I'll probably give it a couple more weeks before I do that. So yeah, I can drive now, although because my right hip was the one that was operated on, they say like with your left hip, I could drive before the 4 weeks, like as long as I felt comfortable doing it, because you don't drive unless you're using a clutch. So as long as you have an automatic car, you can drive with your left hip. But since it's my right hip, they say definitely wait 4 weeks. So I'm now at that 4 weeks, but I haven't driven yet. I'm going to wait till this weekend so my husband can ride with me just around the neighborhood, just to let me get comfortable again in the car, in the driver's seat. So yeah, everything is good, and I can't wait to feel normal again, to where I can, do some gardening and start exercising to try to lose some weight, which will also help in the hip and knee department. But so yeah, if you've been contemplating hip surgery, I would say do it. If your doctor approves it, I would say do it, because you're going to feel like a new person. Already, I don't have that inner ache, or when I walk, that pain in the hip. Obviously, I have discomfort just because my muscles are being retrained, but I don't have that hip pain anymore. So I would say definitely do it, as long as your doctor, says that that's what you need. And I hope these videos have been helpful for you. If you know somebody that is, contemplating having hip replacement surgery, please refer them to my videos. And again, if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, click the bell button, because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And I would love it if you would leave a comment below. Just let me know, if you've had surgery, how it went for you, if you're looking to have surgery, or if you know of someone who's about to have surgery or wants to have surgery. Leave a comment below and just let me know how it goes. But anyway, thank you so much for coming by my channel, stopping by and giving me just a few minutes in your day. And I appreciate it so much. And I will see you in the next one.